If Epic Games is showing the as in Mf01 error code, don't worry. This usually happens when the updater tries to replace a file that Windows still thinks is running in the background. The good news is that you can fix this with a few simple steps, and I'll walk you through them one by one. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is open Task Manager, because there may be a game process or Epic background service still active and blocking the update. To do that, press Ctrl, Shift, and S on your keyboard at the same time. That will launch Task Manager right away. Once Task Manager opens, look through the list of running processes carefully. You're checking for the game you're trying to update, such as Fortnite or Fall Guys, and also any duplicate Epic Web Helper processes. Sometimes one of these can keep running even when the launcher looks closed. If you find any blocked application processes, right-click each one and choose End Task. Be sure to end only the processes related to Epic or the game you're updating. After that, go back to Epic Games Launcher and try resuming the download or installation. In many cases, this alone can clear the Mf01 error. If the error still shows up, the next step is to verify the game files inside the launcher. First, maximize Epic Games Launcher so you can see your library clearly. Then open your Library tab and locate the game that's causing the Mf01 issue. Under the Game tile, click the three horizontal dots. From the menu that appears, select Manage, and then click the Verify button. This starts a validation process that checks your game files for missing or damaged data. Now let the verification engine finish scanning everything. This can take a few minutes, depending on the size of the game and the speed of your PC, so give it time to complete. Once it's done, try launching or updating the game again and see if the problem is gone. If you're still getting the error, there's one more fix that often works really well. Run Epic Games Launcher as administrator. To do that, first close the launcher completely. Don't just minimize it. Check your system tray in the bottom right corner of your screen. Right-click the Epic Games logo and choose Exit. After the launcher is fully closed, find your Epic Games Launcher desktop shortcut. Right-click it and select Properties. In the Properties window, go to the Compatibility tab. Here, check the box that says Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply, then click OK. Now reopen Epic Games Launcher and try the installation or update again. Running it as administrator can help the launcher get the permissions it needs to finish the update without Windows blocking the process. So to quickly recap, the best way to fix the is in Mf01 error is to end any stuck Epic or game processes in Task Manager, verify the game files in your library, and then run Epic Games Launcher as an administrator. One of these steps usually solves the issue completely. If this video helped, please hit like and subscribe for more helpful gaming and PC troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.